What up, YouTube? Killer Ghost in the house. Just got off work and my package has finally arrived. RedCat. This is an open box of the RedCat Volcano EXP brush system. Well, let's take a look. Comes complete with the caps for the shocks, instruction manual, parts, to give you your part number, there's the radio, charger for the battery. That's the connector. It's not a 2.4 gigahertz radio, but it's a radio for now. Pretty moderate. You got your little hidden compartment with all your trimmings and on and off switch. Let's see if I can get it to focus a little better. There we go. You got your reverse and everything. Crystal. The antenna's right there. And what everybody has been waiting for, the black and blue RedCat. Excuse all the noise, I actually doing this with one hand. Okay, and here she is. Pretty big. It's a 1/10 scale monster truck. Let's see what's underneath the hood. You have the brush system. As you can see, the battery already in there. The crystal style transmitter, or excuse me, receiver. You got your servo. For some odd reason it's not adjusting. Why isn't it adjusting? I don't know. Anyway. It looks pretty sick. Nice balance in the shock. Well, I'm actually pretty happy. After not having RC for a while, probably about a year now, I'm pretty happy with that. Well, this is Killer Ghost signing out. Running video will be soon, and best believe I will be changing the ESC, transmitter, and that motor. I'm going to be transferring that out. Try to get some lipo and some other stuff put on. And I'm going to try it with some other things like the Volcano and possibly the Mamba Monster or the Novak Ballistic. I'm going to try those. and see how it go. I'm definitely getting the 2.4 gigahertz radio transmitter and receiver combo. I'm gonna check out to make sure that's a decent servo. If not, I'm gonna change it. This is Killer Ghost signing out. Be easy.